What is up, guys? My name is Hassan, and welcome back to my journey in the stock market. Today, we are going to give you a quick monthly update on how my Robinhood portfolio has been doing in the last month and the new companies that I have acquired into my portfolio. All right. So if this is your first time, this is your first time tuning in, I have been investing in the stock market for the last 10 years on average in a humble way. I've been averaging in about 15% year after year. As always, before I even start, I have to give you a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I know your financial situation. I am not responsible for any of your gains or losses in the stock market. My suggestions are only suggestions. That does not mean you go out and buy these stocks. It is just a place for you to start your own due diligence. All right, so let's get started. I want to give you today the one day. I'm actually down big, 3.8%, which is about 320. The last week, I'm up 1%, about $82. And then in 1 month, I'm up about 5%, which is about $387. And then in 3 months, I'm up about almost $1,900, almost 31%. So which in the last 3 months, my stocks are recovering, which is a good thing. So if you look at, I just got paid Nvidia of 16 shares, deposited money. So usually I start from my top down. I'm going to start from bottom to top. And I think that you guys will be able to get actually more information and more thought process on why I'm buying these stocks. So one of my last recent holding is Nokia. I just acquired this about a few days ago. Started off with 10 shares because I feel like 5G is going to be big, and Nokia is one of the companies that can capitalize it, and I want to be part of it. So that's why I bought a small position, 10 shares. I want to look. I'm already down 6%, which is great because this gives me an opportunity to buy more. Okay, my next one. So I'm going to my least holding or lowest value to my highest value. So I have Abbey Pharmaceutical. I'm down on this 5%, almost 6% on this. My average cost $84.73, and they already paid me. Did they pay me some dividend? Nope. No dividend payment yet, but they do pay about 4.4%, over 4%. So Abbey. Next one, General Mills. I have 2 shares. Great company. They've been doing really well. I'm up about 25%, which is great. And I actually wanted to buy more of this because but if you look at the chart that says 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, it just kept going up, and I never got an opportunity to buy more. So that's why I didn't want to chase the stock, because I like buying at a great price. But maybe if it pulls back, I'll acquire some more shares. And they also paid me a dividend. That time I only had 1 share, and I received 49 cents. All right, so next one I have is Six Flags, another newly acquired. My average cost $50.26. I'm down 5%, which is great. I kind of love it when my stocks are going down because I like to get a small position, and then I like to acquire more as the company goes down. All right, let's do this. So also, about another great thing about Six Flags is that if you pull up Yahoo Finance, Six Flags, if you look at it, this is dirt cheap. It has a PE of 14 and a dividend of $3.28, which is about 6.7%, which is amazing. So I want to acquire more shares. I hope it continues to stay down or stay low so I can add more money to it. Have currently 3 shares, average price. And then I have Macys, another one great. I'm down 5%, 4 shares. This is another company that is another that's I'm looking to get more shares of. Let's look at Macys. The reason why I use Yahoo Finance instead of Robinhood, because Yahoo I feel is a lot more accurate than Robinhood. Another one, great company, 6.5% PE, and then a dividend again 6.3%. So which is great. Did they pay me any dividends yet? So if you look at it again, so I'll be getting 4 shares of dividend of $1.51. So let's just speed it up before. So Macys, I have JD, 5 shares, another great company. This is my Chinese play. I'm down 9%, which is not a problem because I want to buy more. But I'm not sure how I feel about this. And then I have Cleveland Cliff, another company. This is, let me show you about Cliff. Why you guys should take a look into it or do a little bit more due diligence on your own. This thing has a PE of 2.6 and they pay a dividend, so which is great. So 2.6, you can't go wrong. What else? Cliff, I think there's a lot more upside than its ability to go down. So I'm down 3%. I swing traded this few times, which I'll show in my another video. If you look at it, buy, sell, buy, and then buy, and then at the end I'm just buying more to acquire more shares. So Cleveland Cliff, I have 19 shares, $9.65. I'll probably make a swing trade with this maybe when it hits like $10.10 or $10.20, make maybe about 5-6%. All right, so I have IP, actually International Papers is actually looking attractive. Very low valuation, 9.1, pays a dividend. I have 3 shares, so if it continues to go down a little bit more, I'm gonna actually buy more. Nvidia, 1 share, average cost is higher because I actually sold out of it. They pay me 16 cents. I actually sold, if you can see here. You can see here I sold it for $278, $275. So I sold it, that's why, and then I rebought it again. So that's why my average price is $191, but it's gonna do well. I should have bought back more when it was around 135, around there. Again, so Vermilion Energy, 9 shares, $25.04. This pays a monthly dividend, Canadian company. So you can see that about 12, almost 13 cents per share, US dollars, US cents. Pays a monthly, great company. I got JC Penney, it's my long-term hold. Average cost $1.80, 109 shares. I got Ford, solid dividend play, 32 shares, average cost $10, a little bit down. Broadcom, another play. I'm up about 12%. Great company, got in. Luckily I got in at 261. And did I receive a dividend from them yet? Oh yes, the dividend is pending, so $2.65 that I should receive. They actually increased their dividend by a lot more. So Broadcom, take a look at it. I got FanGen, 97 shares. I got Pembina, 9 shares. So I have 2 monthly companies. I got Pembina, PBA, and then I have my Vermilion, which also 2 solid dividend companies that pay monthly basis. Got Microsoft, 3 shares, 4% of my portfolio. I'm up about 16%. And then got Texas Instrument, another solid company. I'm up 15%, 4 shares. I got Micron, I'm a little bit down, 17%. It's a long-term hold. I got Snap, a little down, but it's also 45 shares. I know. So I teach at a place that these kids are constantly using Snapchat. And every day, every few weeks, I ask them, are you guys still using Snapchat? If Snapchat is still on one of top social media for the younger kids, it is still, they love using Snapchat. AMD, I'm up big, 32%, 32 shares. And then I got High Crush, stay away from this company. I have 204 shares, terrible management. Baozong, my top #1 holding, almost 24% of my portfolio. I'm up only 1%, 52 shares. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps grow my channel tremendously. As always, thank you. See you next time.